think this is recording.
He's swimming.
He's like not heavy enough to sink in.
Oh my god, that's awesome. Look at him go. I need my goat.